I'm Tyler Freed with Windermere, and I'm a good friend Tim from Cornerstone Home Lending.
Thanks for having me today.
Thanks for being here.
Yeah.
We've got our first official Fireside chat, and we're gonna start it off with some buzzwords that you're hearing out there. Tim, what kind of stuff are you hearing?
Yeah, the buzzwords, we all think we know the meaning of.
Yeah.
Right? So we're just gonna dive a little bit deeper into that and try to pick the flowers and leave the weeds, separate fact from fiction. So one of the things I get a lot of people asking me about, they've written up a house or they're considering buying a house. Am I buying in a bubble? And you're the real estate guy, you sell houses, what do you see?
Well, I just take the words right out of our chief economist, Matthew Gardner. He studies this market, we're in it every single day, and there are no signs of a bubble. And you can probably talk on how tough it still is to get a loan currently in today's market, whereas when we saw the last bubble in 07, 08, everyone was getting a loan.
Yeah, that's the big thing is we all think bubble, which is a pretty limited perspective of the real estate market because most people only go back to about 04, 05. But if we want to look historically, what predicated 06, 07 was an inflation of a real estate balloon, if you will, with artificial money, right? And we know by today's lending standards, getting a loan is incredibly challenging, but we're absolutely closing loans. If you got a job, you got a credit score, maybe you even do or don't have a down payment, people are still buying homes. And I would say it's responsible lending and it's responsible inflation of the real estate market right now.
Buzzword back to you.
Yeah.
Rate hike, what are rates doing?
Yeah, there's definitely a lot of buzzwords around the rate hike, right? So the Fed has announced that they're gonna start tapering buying mortgage-backed securities. That's a big buzzword. What does that mean? It just means that they're gonna start purchasing less mortgages. And so as a result, rates will go up as a result. And typically what we lose sight of sometimes is the announcement that it's coming automatically affects rates. So it kind of happens almost in line with it before it even happens. So I think that's why in the last 2 months, we've already seen great rate hikes, good size ones. And I think in the next 5 months, we'll continue to see them. But let's keep it into perspective here. From a long-term historical perspective, we're still under 4%,
Right.
Which is phenomenal money.
Now, is that what you're telling buyers when they ask the next buzzword? Should they wait?
Should we wait? I think that's an excellent question. And let's pick that up on video too.
All right, that ends our first Fireside chat. Stay tuned.
Thank you.